we made it up here, and Bruce the bull doesn't want to get out of the way. He's looking a little chilly today. Hey, buddy. You guys want some hay? But yeah, I'll lead them back here behind the windbreak and trees and stuff, just so I know they're good. And even this old girl here, she doesn't look too bad. That's the oldest cow I got. I'm worried about her getting through the storm. She's the number one cow I'm worried about. She's out here plugging along, so all in all, I wouldn't say it's too bad a blizzard. Definitely seen worse. Come on up here, cows. Come on up here, cows. Let's get some food going. Whee! Put the bale on the back. Oh. Yeah. Remember, don't take risks in a blizzard. Okay. Oh yeah, it's almost like the Jamaican vacation behind this windbreak in comparison to out there. Yeah, it's amazing what a good windbreak can do. Bruce, get back, bull. Get back. Get back, Willie. Hey. Ooh, it's frozen. There we go. I'm doing this with old Bruce, literally at hand's length away. Stay back, Bruce. Oh man, we're gonna go on this side. Bulls make me nervous. Whew, fur. I'm gonna put you guys up here so I can have just a little bit more hands to work on stuff. All right, cows, dinner served. Today we're having a 4-course meal of hay, sorghum. Protein quality is about 11%. You should like it. And if you eat all that, I'll give you some cake for dessert. Run up here and make sure the tank hasn't froze yet. Bruce, get away from me. Hey, stop following me around. All right, cows look pretty good. I'm gonna run up here, do some farm fit in a blizzard. Ah, it's cold, man. It's not really snowing that bad. This is cold and windy. Awesome. Yes. And my stock tank float broke. Remember when we did the wire fix job on this thing? Yeah. Don't fix them with wire. Want to go swimming in a blizzard? Not particularly fond of swimming in blizzards. Oh, man. Yeah, you can see it's just overflowing. I guess it's not froze. Son of a turkey biscuit. It always happens on the coldest stinking days. Stuff goes wrong. I swear it's just the nature of the beast. I just shut this off. I'm not gonna go swimming today. Sorry guys. I mean, maybe if I had like a billion subscribers, I'd do it, right? No, it probably still wouldn't do it. But, whew. I'll come up here tomorrow and try to get a real float so we don't have that problem happening again. Man, it's cold. There should be about 300 gallons in there, and they've drank once already today. Should be enough water in there for them. There's one more tank that they can go to and get more water out of. So 50 cows, should have about 10 gallons of water apiece for the rest of the afternoon. They've drank once already. Bruce, you just make me nervous, dude. Stop following me around, dude. But yeah, they should have enough water. They're not gonna be drinking that much water on a cold day. It is good to have, oh, I know what they want. They want some cake. Like, what are you doing? Feeding me this junk for? Oh. Burr. It's not, thermometer says it's 30, which, I mean, it's darn sure been colder, but I guess I'm just a big old wussy. I am out here in a hoodie. The good old fashioned double hoodie. It's amazing how much warmer a double hoodie is. There. Maybe now I can see on the way home. Coming up here is kind of tough. Let's see if that helps. Oh yeah! I can see where I'm going in the blizzard now. Gosh darn. These old blizzards. I remember when I was a kid in school, I loved blizzards. You could go out and shovel snow the next day and make all kinds of money. Now you don't see too many kids out shoveling snow. Oh, come on. Oh, don't get zapped. Whew. That ought to hold it. Fingers aren't working so good. Oh. Well, I guess that concludes our feeding. Feeding for the cows is done. They got water, they got hay, they have protection. They're gonna make it. Well, we made it up here. The cows, they look okay. First thing I'm gonna check though, since I'm here, is this tank. I found a float. I haven't been into town for like 3 days, but I found a float in my garage. So hopefully it'll work. And then plus also with this storm, the roads were closed, so it's kind of, I could get to town, but coming back out was going to be another issue. But yeah, so I found this old dented up float. One nice thing about using metal floats over plastic ones is that you can, a lot of times the ice builds up around them, and then the nice part about a metal float is you can just hit it with your axe or whatever. I mean, you don't want to slam into it, but you can just pop it a little bit and break it off the ice that forms on there. So hopefully, I think I remember last time when we were swimming in that tank, there's a little S hook that goes on there. I'm gonna turn my heater on high, because when I get back I have a feeling I'm gonna be a little cold. Let's go see what we got. Oh, sorry. Let's go see what we got out here for this tank. It's pretty much done. I think this blizzard's done. It's just a ground blizzard now. Just blowing. Thankfully the cows, I turned this well off yesterday, and it looks like the cows helped me out by drinking it down, so hopefully I won't have to go swimming so much. Oh yeah, this shouldn't be so bad. Let's see. Put this right here. Oops. Oh, ooh, brr, that's cold. Come on. There we go. So that's what I was hoping I could find up here. Oh, dang it. I knew that was going to happen. So, cows drank it down too far, and the level of the ice is right here. Froze my float shut. It's always fun. That's okay. I've got ways of fixing that. Let's see. I definitely want to get this off so I can at least get this wire off here. Come on now. There we go. Come on. The microphone is tickling my nose right now. Okay. Ooh, ouch, ouch, ouch. So, this right here, this S-hook here, hole goes in on this side, and I wonder if I can just spin it around and make it easy on my lap. Yep, sweet. Okay. And then this piece goes in here, This is brass. This hook is brass. Oh, dang it. I love my life sometimes. Let's see if we can just cheat it a little bit more. Should have known, should have known. Dang it, now my hook is not quite right. So, that is less than ideally awesome, but I think it'll kind of work. Get on there. I don't know if you can see that, but hopefully I'm catching. There we go. So I'm going to pull it. We're going to put her there for now. Somewhere right there. That ought to do the trick. Oh boy. I sure hope that thing stays in there. It isn't froze. It is right on the water line. I'm thinking it is froze. Sometimes when you open up a valve, just a little bit, oh, I can hear now the water's getting through there. A little bit of water starts to free it up, and then you're good to go. Yeah, see how it's working? And then as the water comes up, it just slowly shuts it off. That looks about right. I hope. Day 2, it's still ripping. It's so cold out. Come on, get back up here. Come on, dirty bags. Come on. Ah. Hopefully I didn't get stuck right now. It's too much to make it up the hill. Come on, Dirty Max, you can do it. Gotta remember, we have about 3,000 pounds on the back. Oh, there we go, nice and easy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, it's cold. Back up here in the pen, cows. There we go. Normally, I would not ever feed on top of the spot that I just fed. I don't like doing it, but our options are rather limited today, so we're gonna do it. Oh yeah. I guess that spot about right. Let's see. Yep, that's tight. I'm trying to pick it up. It's up all the way. Farming win of the day. Didn't even have to break ice. Oh yeah. Well, hooray. It's a little bit after Christmas. I've got the last Christmas party to go to here this afternoon. So I'm gonna head on back, try to dust the hay out of my hair. What little hair there is. Maybe put on a cowboy shower of some deodorant. Uh-oh. And I'm stuck. But you know what? They invented this awesome thing to help people get unstuck. Well, thank goodness for four-wheel drive. And unstuck buttons. Speaking of buttons, hit the like button. Or don't. But do. But seriously, you don't have to. But it'd be cool if you did. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Probably can't say that. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Go open one last round of Christmas presents. And gosh, it's almost over. I'm ready for the new year to start. I'm really excited to see what this channel's gonna bring. And just like today, there's always something going on. Good, bad, up or down, who knows which way. Uh-oh. Shoot, I'm late. Come on, Dirty Max, we gotta go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get off this thing, focus on driving in this blizzard before it gets bad, and catch you guys another day. Thanks for watching.